Let's talk about the latest launched INFINIX smartphone 035G. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, with 6.78-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 92.7% screen to body ratio, with approximately 388 ppi pixel density, and with 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with the 13 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, located in punch hole display, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps. 60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive version of XOS 13 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.6 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A78, plus 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, paired with Mali G77MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options roam green, golden hour, fantasy purple, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 68-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP53, dust and splash resistant, and NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. INFINIX 035G expected priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 84,999 Pakistani rupees, while 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 89,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So, what do you guys think of this INFINIX 035G smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.